it's really great culture nights, like the best fun because the whole city opens up. It's so busy, there's people everywhere. It's really great. It's kind of cool to see things that you maybe wouldn't get off your bum to see other nights. So.
And what do you think of the Freemasons Lodge?
I love it. I want to live here. It's amazing.
Beautiful.
Like, it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Like, I really wish I was a guy so I could join.
We went last year. We were going to go to where did we go to? Airbnb. We went to Airbnb and hung out in their office and made pom-poms and everything. And then we went to a show, one-man show, and then we went to a museum, and then we ended up in a bar, and then we ended up at a club night. And it was all to do with culture. And they're all things that you couldn't imagine that you could shoehorn into the one night. It's completely different. But I literally live 2 minutes from here, and I've never been in this building before. And it's sort of quite unusual to actually to walk around and to see it, and to take, because you still see the bullet marks and the shrapnel marks all around the front.
For me, I was always on culture night for the years before I ever volunteered, but for me, I really love getting involved in Irish culture and things like that, and I love seeing people actually getting out and seeing it. And there's so much, the atmosphere is great, everyone out.
And what was your highlight of tonight?
Tonight, I think my highlight was probably Freemasons, because I hadn't been there before and I knew very limited about them, so it's good to actually go around and see the place and actually get a chat with someone who's actually involved in it.